Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create and remove users on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. At first, you should get to the settings, then go to Accounts. Now, scroll down until you can find other users, and then you can click on Add Account. At first, it will ask you for the Microsoft account of that person, but honestly, I highly doubt that you have that other person's sign-in information. So you can just click on I don't have this person's sign-in information, because if they want, they can log in later with the Microsoft account, but they don't have to, of course. So then click on Add a user without a Microsoft account, and at first enter the username. Then you can leave the password fields blank, but I would highly recommend having that set. So I'm gonna set it, then re-enter it. And now I'm gonna answer security questions, which are very important for restoring your account's password later. So make sure that you answer them truthfully, just so you don't forget the answers, because if you make them up, then you'll probably forget them. Then let's click on Next. And now the account is created. In case you want to remove it later, you can click on this down arrow and click on Remove. And you can also change the account type to Administrator, but only do it if you have a good reason for it, honestly, because if you let someone have administrator privileges, they will have the same privileges as you, and they can literally do anything on your laptop. So I'm just gonna leave it on standard user, and now I'm gonna show you I think 2 ways to relog in. So the first one is by clicking on this Windows, then clicking on your current logged in account and click on 3 dots here. Then select that other user, and you'll need to enter its password. So that will be that. And the first login will take a bit longer than usual, because it has to set up a few things at first. Then I'm just gonna configure it pretty quickly. And as you can see, we are here. And I'm gonna show you the second way to relog in now. So you can either click on this Windows icon, then and this is gonna be the relogin from the lock screen. So to lock the screen, click on this Windows icon, then the power and lock. Or if you wanna do it more quickly, you can use the keyboard, and on the keyboard press on 2 buttons at once, which will be the Windows and the P button at the same time, but my keyboard is discharged right now, so I'm gonna use that method. And from the lock screen, relogging, changing the account is pretty simple. Just swipe out and select the account you want to log into, then enter its PIN, and it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.